Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove powered by Shopify text from your footer. So here actually you can see this is our website interior, and here in the bottom you will find out a text that is 2025 my store powered by Shopify. So we just want to remove this one. So how we can do it is actually so much easy. So let's go and take off to the admin panel, and here you just need to be click to the online store. Once you click over here, then you will find out the theme option underneath this online store. So here you just need to select this three dot, and then you will find out the options called edit default theme contents. Just click over here, and here actually you will find out couple of options. So here actually you can see that is the text we have that is powered by Shopify HTML. So I will search for the power over that place. Let's search for power and let's hit enter, and here actually you can see underneath the links we have the text powered by Shopify. So here I will give a name by my name, so I will give it and then click to the save. Once I click over here, then I will come back to our official store and I will refresh it, and here actually you can see that our powered by Shopify already been changed. So in this way you can change it. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.